Hi, I'm Kelly, and this is Major, and we have been using DāO on his hair for about 2 weeks and have seen a remarkable difference in his hair. We're finding his hair to be dry from car seats, strollers, and just sleeping on his head, and we're using a myriad of products and nothing was seeming to work. But ever since we started using DāO, we've seen such a change in his hair. So what we do is in the morning after a full night's sleep, right buddy? Yes. We take the product and we spray it all over. One of the best things is this, it's got a mister. So it's not just like a stream of product. It's an all over coverage without being oversaturating to the hair. And then we just zhuzh it in. And you see those curls coming back to life. Moisturize. And we do this every other day depending on the dryness of his hair. And then we're out the door. So it's totally simplified our morning and it's making his hair stronger and more moisturized.